Hello my dear students. In this video I will discuss the rest of the problems. These are English version maths. So let's get started from question number 4. We have already discussed from 1 to 3 all these questions, and I write the degree of each of the following polynomials: x to the 4 plus 2x cube plus x square plus x. We have to write the degree. So degree of this polynomial is 4 because 4 is the highest power, therefore 4. So these questions are very easy. So 7x minus 5, that means here in this polynomial the power of x is 1, therefore the degree is 1. 16 I have already discussed question number 1. 15. If you want to know the answer, go to my previous video. The next one is 2 minus y cube. So the here in this polynomial the highest power of the variable is 3, therefore the degree is 3. 7t, that means t to the power 1, the 1 is the degree, and 5 minus x square plus x to the power 19, the highest value is 19, therefore the degree is 19. Okay. Now move on to the question number 5. I write two separate binomials in one variable whose degrees are 17. Here remember binomials, and it must be in one variable. Binomials means two terms. Which polynomials have two terms are called binomials. Therefore whose degree 17. Degree 17 means the highest power of x is equal to 17. Therefore 7x to the power 17 minus any, you can write 1. Okay, because in this polynomial have two terms and x is only variable, therefore it is the binomial and in one variable. Binomials in one variable. And another example is x to the power 2x to the power 17 plus 2x to the power 17 plus 5, because this is also binomial and the degree of this polynomial is 17. 6. Question number 6. I write two separate monomials in one variable whose degrees are 4. Degree 4 means highest value, highest power of the variable must be 4. Therefore if I write y to the power 4 monomial, that means only one term, so y to the power 4 is the answer. And another example is 5y to the power 4. Okay. So next one is I write two separate trinomials in one variable whose degrees are 3. Trinomial and in one variable whose degree are 3. Trinomial means 3 terms. Which polynomials have 3 terms? Therefore, and degrees are 3. Therefore, x cube plus 2x square plus 1 is one example. And another one is x cube minus 5x plus 3. You can give another examples of these questions 5, 6 and 7. Question number 8 is, in the following algebraic expressions, which are polynomials in one variable, which are polynomials in two variables, and which are not polynomials. let us write them. First one is x square plus 3x plus 2. It has only one variable, therefore this polynomial is in one variable. This polynomial is in one variable. Plus y square, x square plus y square plus a square. Look at here, a square. A, earlier I told you in the previous video, I have told you that a is not a variable. Here a is a constant. Therefore this polynomial is in two variables. Now question number 3 is y square minus 4ax. Same, this one is also a polynomial, but a is constant. Therefore in this polynomial there are two variables. Therefore this polynomial is in two variables. Question number 4 is x plus y plus 2. This polynomial is also in two variables. X to the power 8 plus y to the power 4 plus x to the power 5 y to the power 9. This polynomial is in, look at here, x and y are two variables, therefore it is also two variables. Question number 6, x plus 5 by x. So we know it that it is equal to x plus 5 x to the power minus 1. Therefore this one is not a polynomial, so it is not a polynomial. We move on to the next chapter. Work out 7.2 is question number 1. If fx is equal to x square plus 9x minus 6, then let us write by calculating the values of f0, f1 and f3. Okay, question number, if fx is equal to x square plus 9x minus 6, then we have to find out the values of f0, f1 and f3. What is meant by that? This means that we have to put 0 in place of x in this polynomial. So f0 means putting 0 in place of x. So 0 to square plus 9 into 0 minus 6 is equal to 0 plus 0 minus 6 is equal to minus 6. Therefore the values of f0 is the value of x0 is minus 6, and then we have to find out the value of f1. Okay, let f1 is equal to, f1 means putting 1 in place of x here in this polynomial. So 1 square plus 9 into 1 minus 6 is equal to 1 plus 9 minus 6 is equal to 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Therefore f1 is equal to 4 and f3 is equal to 3 square plus 9 into 3 minus 6 is equal to 9 plus 27 minus 6 is equal to 36 minus 6 is equal to 30. Therefore, the values of f0 is equal to minus 6, f1 is equal to 4 and f3 is equal to 30. Question number 2. By calculating the following polynomials fx, let us write the values of f1 and f minus 1. Same as question number 1. For all these polynomial, we have to find the values of f1 as well as f of minus 1. Okay. So I'll find out the first one. Question of 2fx is equal to find out the f1 as well as f of minus 1. f1 and f of minus 1. Okay. So f1 is equal to 2 into 1 cube plus x plus 1 square plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 2 into 1 means 2 plus 1 square means 1 plus 1 plus 4, that means 6 plus 7 6 7 8 8 is the answer. And f of minus 1, 2 into minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 4. Look at here very carefully, because 2 into minus 1 to the cube means minus 1, that means minus 1, plus minus 1 square means plus 1, that means plus 1, and minus 1 plus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus 4 is equal to 2 into minus 1 means minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 plus 4. Minus 2 and minus 1 is equal to minus 3 plus plus 1 plus 4 is equal to plus 5. So plus 2. So f of 1 is equal to 8 and f of minus 1 is equal to plus 2. Let us check the following statements. The 0 of the polynomial px is equal to x minus 1 is 1. P of x is equal to x minus 1. What is meant by that? The 0 means a number, for example a, b or c. A number b is called 0 of a polynomial of the polynomial f of x if f of x is equal to f of b, this number f of b is equal to 0. In this question it is asked that the 0 of the polynomial p of x is 1. So we have to find the value of 1, f of p of 1. So therefore p of 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore p of 1 is equal to 0. So you can say that therefore 1 is the 0. 1 is the 0 of the polynomial of the polynomial p of x is equal to x minus 1. So let us find out the next one. The 0 of the polynomial p of x is equal to 3 minus x is 3. So here p of x is equal to x, 3 minus x. So let's find out the value of p of 3, because we have to check it for 3. So 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore here 3, in which value the p of x is equal to 0? For 3 So 3 is the 0 of the polynomial p of x is equal to 3 minus. So the next one is the 0 of the polynomial p of x, 5x plus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 5. Okay, so p of x is equal to 5x plus 1. So we have to check 5 into minus 1 by 5 plus 1. So 5 cancel. So minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So p of minus 1 by 5 is equal to 0. Therefore minus 1 by 5 is the 0 of the given polynomial p of x is equal to 5x plus 1 of the polynomial. Question number 4, the two zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 9, 3 and minus 3. P of x is equal to x square minus 9. So first we have to find the p of 3. The two values are given 3 and minus 3. So 3 square minus 9 is equal to 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So p of 3 is equal to 0, and then p of minus 3 square minus 9, minus 3 into minus 3 is equal to plus 9, minus 9 is equal to 0. So again we get p of minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore the 0 of the polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 9 are 3 and minus 3. The two zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 5x are 0 and 5. So we have to check the p of x is equal to x square minus 5x. So first p of 0 is equal to 0 square minus 5 into 0 is equal to 0 square means 0, 5 into 0 means 0 is equal to 0. So p of 0 is equal to 0, and p of 5 is equal to 5 square minus 5 into 5. So 25 minus 25 is equal to again 0. Therefore p of 5 is also 0. So 0 and 5 are two zeros of the polynomial. This one p of x is equal to x square minus 5x. The two zeros of the polynomial p of x are 4 and minus 2. P of x is equal to x square minus 2s minus 8. So first p of 4 and minus 2. So p of 4 is equal to 4 square minus 2 into 4 minus 8 is equal to 16 minus 8 minus 8 is equal to 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. So p of 4 is equal to 0, and p of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 square minus 2 into minus 2 minus 8 is equal to here 4, and minus plus 4 minus 8 is equal to 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. So p of minus 2 is equal to also 0. Therefore two zeros are 4 and minus 2. So therefore 4 and minus 2 are two zeros of the given polynomial. Of the polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 2x minus 8. Now question number 4, let us determine the zeros of the following polynomials. Find the zeros of the following polynomials means in which value of x this polynomial will be 0. The value of this polynomial will be 0 in which value of x. Next one, question number 4, x is equal to f of x is equal to 2 minus x. So for finding the zeros, for finding the zero of the polynomial, f of x, the value of f of x will be 0. Therefore 2 minus x is equal to 0, or minus x is equal to minus 2, or x is equal to 2. 0 of the polynomial f of x is equal to 2 minus x is 2. For the value of 2, the polynomial is 0. Therefore 2 is the 0 of the polynomial, this one. F of x 7x plus 2 is equal to 7x plus 2. For finding the zero of the polynomial, f of x, the value of f of x will be 0. Therefore 7x plus 2 is equal to 0, or 7x is equal to minus 2, or x is equal to minus 2 by 7. Therefore the 0 is minus 2 by 7. The 0 of the polynomial f of x is equal to 7x plus 2 is minus 2 by 7, minus 2 by 7. In this way you can find the value of this polynomial f of x is equal to x plus 9. Therefore x plus 9 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 9. So minus 9 is the 0 of this polynomial. Minus 9 is the 0 of the polynomial f of x is equal to x plus 9. And question number 4, f of x is equal to x 6 minus 2x. f of x is equal to 6 minus 2x. Therefore 6 minus 2x is equal to 0, or minus 2x is equal to minus 6, or x is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. 3 is the 0. 3 is the 0 of the polynomial of this polynomial f of x is equal to 6 minus 2x. Question number 5, f of x is equal to 2x. f of x is equal to 2x. Therefore 2x is equal to 0, or x is equal to 0, because 0 by 2 is equal to 0. 0 is the 0. 0 is the 0 of the polynomial f of x is equal to 2x. And question number 6 is f of x is a plus b, where a not is equal to 0. Therefore f of x is equal to ax plus b, therefore a plus ax plus b is equal to 0. Ax is equal to minus b or x is equal to minus b by a, while a not is equal to 0, minus b by a. Minus b by a is the 0 of the polynomial f of x is equal to ax plus b.